Close your eyes and picture a white space. Imagine that you're filling it with the color of turquoise. Imagine that the whole image in front of you washes over with turquoise. Now listen slowly to this frequency, which represents the nicest level of turquoise mixed in the background of a little bit of music to help you with your meditation process. Make sure that you're breathing in and out on a regular pace along with your heart rate. So if you want your heart rate to increase, breathe faster. If you want your heart rate to decrease so you're relaxing, breathe slower. See the prompts in the video to help with your breathing if you need to, or breathe along on your own. Enjoy the frequency. Have peace.